Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable music in the SmartTheas application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and wait until it's loading, and click on the settings button at the top of the page, and click on the music button, and if it turned white then it means that it's enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.